In exercise 6.2, question number 1 is given that there is a figure 1 and 2. This is figure 1 and 2. Here DE is mentioned parallel to BC. And this line DE in this case is parallel to BC. So is the case in the other figure. These two lines are given parallel. And we have to find the length of EC. So in the first case, we have to find the length EC in this case and that of AD in this case. So we are going to apply BPT, also called known as Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. It says that in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, like as in case of this line is parallel to this side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That means this over this will be equal to this over this. In short, we can say other way that this upon this is equal to this upon this. So the ratio will be equal. So we are going to use this theorem to find the value of the missing side here. So we must mention the name of the triangle first. We will say that in triangle, say ABC, we have DE parallel to BC. That's the first thing we write. And therefore, we will write by using BPT, what we can say, AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. That's what. So this upon this is equal to this upon this is what we are going to apply here. Now check, we know the values of, let's place the value of AD, which is 1.5 according to the question, and 3. And this is AE, which is 1. EC we have to determine. So by cross multiplication, we'll get EC is equal to 3 upon 1.5. Can remove this decimal, write a 10 over it. So 2 is the answer for this case. So that's what we have to find out. EC, we got the length of EC as 2. In this case, it is 2. Now, in the next figure, the triangle is different. So we must mention the name of the triangle here also. Can be done in the very same way. Yeah, the triangle remains the same. And as you can see here, that in this triangle also, we are applying BPT. And this time AD is missing. So write AD as AD. BD is given 7.2. AE, which is 1.8. And this is 5.4. We can reduce this, remove the decimals, this 1 times and 18 3 times. So by cross multiplication, we'll get 3 times AD is equal to 7.2. So AD can be calculated as 7.2 over 3. Later on, you can reduce it. It's divisible as 2 times and 4 times. So that is 2.4. In this case, we got the length of AD as 2.4.